Take a moment to check out the 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. Here's a solid, smooth-riding Nissan Pathfinder, the family-oriented three-row crossover with impressive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive. Flexible seating and standard driver assist safety features give you the convenience and confidence to enjoy every adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power liftgate, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, heated rear seat. Feel the assurance of quiet capability in this Pathfinder. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.